Dear students, this is Afsana Awal. Today I will take your English class, and students, let's start our class. I will discuss our today's topic and today's lesson. So let's start the class. Look at the board. Our today's topic is word meaning English to English. That means we have to, or we will learn the word meanings English to English. That means the meaning also should be written in English. And today we will learn 5 word meanings. So number 1, this is see. S-E-E, see. S-E-E, see. S-E-E, see. And the meaning of see is to observe. To observe. To observe. T-O, to observe. O-B-S-E-R-V-E, observe. O-B, S-E-R-V-E, serve, observe. O-B-S-E-R-V-E, observe. O-B-S-E-R-V-E, observe. So the meaning of see, S-E-E-C, is to observe. Number 2 is hop. H-O-P, hop. H-O-P, hop. H-O-P, hop. And the meaning of hop is short jump. Short jump. S-H-O-R-T, short. J-U-M-P, jump. Short jump. So the meaning of hop is short jump. Short jump. Short jump. Now number 3. J-O-Y, joy. J-O-Y, joy. J-O-Y, joy. Joy means happiness. H-A-P-P-I, happy. N-E-S-S, ness, happiness. H-A-P-P-I, happy. N-E-S-S, ness, happiness. H-A-P-P-I, happy. N-E-S-S, ness, happiness. So joy means happiness. Number 4. Number 4 is pan. P-A-N, pan. Pan means cooking pot. That means this is a cooking pot where we can cook something. So P-A-N, pan means cooking pot. C-O-O-K-I-N-G, cooking. C-O-O-K-I-N-G, cooking. C-O-O-K-I-N-G, cooking. P-O-T, pot. P-O-T, pot. P-O-T, pot. So pan means cooking pot. Cooking pot. Cooking pot. Now the last one for today. Number 5 is nest. N-E-S-T, nest. N-E-S-T, nest. N-E-S-T, nest. Nest means home of birds. H-O-M-E, home. O-F, of, home of birds. B-I-R-D-S, birds. B-I-R-D-S, birds. B-I-R-D-S, birds. So home means nest means home of birds. That means where the birds live. This is called nest. So nest means home of birds. Home of birds. Home of birds. So number 1 is see, to observe. Number 2, hop. Hop means short jump. Number 3 is joy. Joy means happiness. Number 4, pan. Pan means cooking pot. And number 5, nest means home of birds. Now your HW number 3 is word meaning English to English. Number 1 to 5. That means today's lesson. This is your HW. You have to do our today's topic as HW, and this is HW number 3. Okay students, that's all for today. See you in the next class inshallah. Allah Hafiz.